Hi, this is Mike Hamilton from TradeTheEasyWay.com. It's Sunday the 30th of May and just about to do the week review. For those of you who don't know, not only is it a UK holiday tomorrow, but it's a US holiday as well. So there are no US markets tomorrow as well. So let's get on. Dollar. This dollar to me is very strong. It's not breaking down below the 80 EMA. In fact, it closed above it on Friday. I think this dollar is getting ready to move up. Equally, bonds, shooting star up here, but all they've done is they put a couple of sellers bars and they close on the 80 EMA. I suspect we've got low pro VC reading. I think these bonds will move to the upside and break up through here. If that's the case, then the dollar and these 10-year bonds are safe havens, and these markets are not happy if that is the case. S&P futures closed below the 200 EMA on the daily chart, so very weak. Despite these bottoming tails, I think we're just consolidating, waiting for the 20 EMA to come across, and I think we'll see further lows. Nasdaq was slightly brighter. We're between the 50 and the 200. I mean, things could easily change if we get closes above here, above this trendline resistance, but the YM and the S&P futures are looking short. Also, just scanning a lot of commodities, this is oil we're looking at. A lot of commodities are looking very, very weak as well, suggesting that commodities think the dollar is going to go up. Here's oil. It struggled to, it couldn't close above 75, this major resistance. It's closed below this resistance here. I think it's just touched the 20 EMA after all this move to the downside. I think we're going to see further lows and retesting of 67 again down here. Natural gas holding the 50 EMA, but I need to close above it before I took that. But just a quick look at these equities. Corn very weak, soybeans weak, wheat is weak, cotton selling off. It suggests to me that dollar is on the way up. It's definitely holding up. If the dollar is holding up, the markets may well not like that and move further to the downside. But as we looked at on these equities, it does look as if the bias is to the downside, particularly the fact the S&P and the Dow futures closed below the 200 EMA. Right, let's get on to Forex. Okay, so we've seen the US dollar index holding up on the 80 EMA. This is the Aussie dollar index, and it's closed below this major resistance on Friday. I'm looking for this 20 EMA. I suspect we may get a retest of the 20 EMA, but looking for further lows. I think we're going to retest these lows again. Canadian dollar closed below the 200 EMA, looking for further lows. British pound, very, very volatile. In 60 minute, incredibly volatile. Closed below the 80 EMA on Friday, looking for further lows. Euro, same story, looking for further lows. Yen, it's coming off this trendline support. This is a safe haven. It's a reversal bar here after this selling. This is a pullback to the trendline support, looking for this to move up. Right, let's look at some of these yen pairs then. We've got here Aussie dollar yen. There's no swing trade setups on there, which is what I'm interested in. CAD yen, no swing trade setups, coming off the 200 EMA, looking for further lows. A break of the 8, break of 86 will be a good place to get short, looking for that to come down to new lows. Let's have a look at Euro yen. Okay, closed below the 80 EMA. Look, any pullbacks to the 80 EMA are shorting opportunities. Swiss yen, again, any pullbacks to 78.95 are shorting opportunities. US dollar yen. Looking for this to go back to the downside. There's a reversal bar up there. There's a hesitant bar, looking for this to drop lower. Any breaks below 91 are good shorting opportunities. Euro CAD. I'm still short this. I think we are going to get lower. We've got all moving averages above us. It is a possible holding pattern. Certainly no new entries here. If you're not in this, I would stand aside. Aussie dollar CAD. Break below 89 could be good for a short. Pound. I think any pullbacks to 144.80 are good for a short. Pound CAD. Low Pro VC with a hammer. I still think this is just gonna. I think it's just gonna move sideways. I basically wouldn't trade it. There's no swing trade setups there. This dollar Swissy. Look at it, just keeps holding. I tried to take a short over here. That's been last week or the week before. It just holds. So no trade there. Gold, I'm still swinging long gold from this hammer off this trend line. Just consolidating. It's holding the 20 EMA. Still looking for that target of 1250. So it's still going to hold gold. So stocks. Let's have a look at any stocks. Let's have a look at some oil stocks. NBL. Oh, lovely shooting star on an 8 EMA on Thursday for a short. Wouldn't throw in a hammer. No, had a shooting star, so but no entry here for the moment. FST. Reversal bar under the 50 EMA. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Let's take that off, let's not do anything. Risk reward ratio for a short. Have to take a break of 26.50. Stop up there. So 60-point stop for a trade of 26. Yep, I'll trade that. Just done a quick scan of a lot of stocks in different sectors, seeing a lot of short signals. These are my favourite. This is in oil, BEXP, shooting star with relatively high Pro VC, stop above 18, target 13.66. Risk reward ratio is good on that one. CLR, nice shooting star, very clean, high Pro VC. So I would take it 1 point. I would take it short of 47.11 with a target of 40.71, possibly these lows here. The other one, FST, nice reversal bar under the 50 EMA. I would take a break of 26.41 with a stop up here at 27.14 for a target down here. I'll be doing more scans tomorrow, but these are all for now. Hope that helps. Email with any questions. Bye for now.